In front of me is REDMI Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Then hit About Tablet at the top and tap on device name over here above Storage. Now you can type in whatever you want to, like Sunny, and when you finished, click on this check mark at the top right corner to save your changes. To discard them, select this X at the top left one of this section. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!